there anything under it?
All right, blizzard of 2016. Hey, Sarah.
Hi.
Okay, first one to the bottom of the snowdrift is the winner.
Oh no.
Gonna break your neck. Come on, get to the top. Get to the top. There he is. Okay. I can't get over. Okay, wait, ready? Oh. Okay. Hang on. Okay, we're good. That's pretty cool.